Want the ultimate thrill in personal electric transport? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric unicycles in 2025, featuring cutting-edge designs, powerful motors, and game-changing stability. Whether you're commuting through the city or carving through trails, these unicycles offer unmatched performance, long-range batteries, and top-tier safety features. From budget-friendly options to high-speed beasts, we've got something for every rider. Let's start the video. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss the latest picks. Number 5. Inotion V8S Electric Unicycle. Looking for a sleek, powerful electric unicycle that delivers on performance and range? Meet the Inotion V8S. With a top speed of 22 miles per hour and a massive 728 Wh battery, you get up to 70 kilometers of range. Perfect for long commutes or weekend adventures. It climbs hills up to 30 degrees, features a bright 5W headlight, and includes a comfortable magnesium alloy pedal with sandpaper grip for ultimate control. At just 35 pounds, it's lightweight yet strong enough to support up to 265 pounds. Plus, the HD display and Bluetooth app support keep you in control. Number 4. Inotion V11Y Electric Unicycle. A powerhouse electric unicycle engineered for serious riders. With a massive 2500W motor, 60-mile range, and top speed of 37 miles per hour, it tackles 38 degrees climbs with ease. The new Raptor Y controller boosts output and stability by up to 50%, while the smart BMS optimizes safety and battery life. Ride rain or shine with IPX6/IPX7 waterproofing, and enjoy premium features like auto-grade headlights, anti-spin lift sensor, and a self-standing design. Number 3. Inotion V9 Electric Unicycle. Introducing the Inotion V9, where power meets portability. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, a 37-mile range, and a 750 Wh battery, this electric unicycle is built for serious commutes and weekend adventures. It charges fully in just 1 hour, thanks to 1C fast charging. The Nimbus Air suspension glides over any surface, while the Raptor M controller ensures smooth, high-powered acceleration. Add in customizable ambient lights and dual hi-fi speakers for a ride that's as stylish as it is smart. Number 2. Motion Adventure V14 70 km per hour. Looking for the ultimate off-road electric unicycle? The Motion Adventure V14 is your beast on wheels. With a massive 4000W motor peaking at 9000W, it hits speeds up to 70 km per hour and crushes 50 degrees climbs with 850 N of raw torque. Ride smoother with 85mm suspension travel, conquer any terrain on 16 by 3-inch rugged tires, and go the distance with a 120 km range on a 2400Wh swappable battery. Top it off with a modular Raptor controller and 16A rapid charging, and you've got unmatched performance in your hands. Ready to ride extreme? Click the link and take control. Number 1. Inotion V10F Unicycle 40 km per hour. Experience unmatched comfort and power with the Inotion V10F electric unicycle. Powered by a 2000W motor, it reaches speeds up to 40 km per hour, 24.9 miles per hour, and delivers a smooth ride with a 70 km, 43.5 miles range. Its 16x 2.5-inch off-road tire, magnesium pedals, and ergonomic pads offer unbeatable support on any terrain. Customize your ride with intelligent voice alerts and vibrant LED mood lighting. Whether commuting or cruising, the V10F turns every journey into a statement.